Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. Accident scenes can be complex and dangerous places. We asked a paramedic, how do you keep safe at a scene?
If you are unlucky enough to come across a situation where there are multiple casualties, the first thing we would say to yourself is keep yourself safe. You need to do a quick risk assessment and decide, am I safe or am I going to add to the burden of injuries that the emergency services need to deal with? So if you are at a scene which is near a road with traffic, things like that, it's really important that you're highly visible, that you've put hazard lights on your car, that you do not step out into a motorway or oncoming traffic and become a casualty yourself. Please do not get involved. Withdraw and make sure that you call the emergency services and give really, really clear first eyewitness accounts of what's happening and what's taking place, what you've witnessed, how many people appear to be casualties. If you are able to and you think it is safe and there are more than one casualty in front of you, just shout out, can anyone walk and talk? Can you get up? If they're able to stand up and walk towards you, you can use those people to help other casualties that may be not able to do anything. And like I said previously, we first of all need to stop any bleeding that may be taking place and call for help. You will have help arrive on scene quickly. So just be calm, gather all the facts, make sure that when somebody arrives, you give them a clear picture of what has taken place.